Lucy is the first human to unlock more than 10% of her brain.
What's going on over here?
That's amazing. Lucy, only on Blu-ray high-def digital HD.
Who needs a girlfriend? You have a cat that'll massage you.
That's why we're offering a deal that will get a lot of people in the door and help us become carry-out experts.
Really, Simba?
Put your store to the test and carry out the coffee pizzas for only $7.99 each every Monday through Thursday.
He's hard at work.
What is it we're doing?
We're going to break an unbreakable glass.
He's massaging me right now.
He's very serious about it, too. Look.
That's a bloody word.
It's a tough job.
Imitation game, rated PG-13.
He is so serious about it.
Watch The Big Bang Theory. 3 full hours.
I think he's working for tips.
PBS. Very funny.
Treats? No.
No, don't distract
Distract.
him.
My wife's in a coma.
Birdies?
Yeah? Well, the life support machine called and... Wait. Yes! That's what I should have said!